Here at Webster Elementary in Long Beach, California, we're going into the kindergarten class to help the chess giant. He has two kindergarten classes that are super, it's gonna be big combined. Okay, so let's go. Move pawns backwards. Okay. Next up, we have the rooks. Okay. Now the rooks go in the corners. Can you guys say that with me? Rooks in corners. Okay, everyone put up an L for me, okay? L for love, not for loser, okay? A knight moves like an L, so can I have you guys say this with me? One square, two square, one to the side. One square, two square, one to the side. One square, two square, one to the side. Now the special thing about knights, hey guys, raise your hands if you could jump. Okay, I can jump like maybe 1 inch, I don't even know at this point. Okay, I haven't done it in a while.
You can still dunk though.
Yes, that's exactly right. Now, every piece of chess is stuck to the ground. Okay, you guys put your hands down. Every piece of chess is stuck to the ground the whole game except for the knights. Okay, the knights can jump. They're like kangaroos, okay? Can you guys say knights next to rooks?
Knights next to rooks.
Okay. Now, next to the knights, we have the bishops. Can everyone show me an X? Okay. That is how bishops move, okay? So they move diagonally. Can you guys say that with me? Diagonal? Okay. Hey guys, if I gave you guys 20,000 years, could you ever get this bishop from here to here? No, it's stuck on blue. So when you're playing a game, I don't want to see two bishops on white or two bishops on blue. Okay? This bishop is always going to be on blue
He
squares.
stays on the color he starts on. What color square is that? Blue. So he stays going diagonal on blue the whole entire game, right?
Yep. Next up, we have the queen. Okay, what's the most powerful piece of chess? Okay, now, what's a rook move like? What letter? No, not
Rooks?
quite.
No,
Not
not
quite. What letter do rooks move like? T. What do bishops move like? What about rooks?
T.
What about rooks? What about rooks? What about bishop? What about rooks? What about bishops? Okay. Now the queen can do both. A bishop can't move like a rook, right? A rook can't move like a bishop, but a queen can do both. So, can I have you guys do this for me? This is a queen. It can move anywhere at once. The only thing the queen cannot do is jump or move like a knight, okay? The queen is still stuck to the ground.
Yeah, he's 189 years old.
Super slow.
That's why he's slow.
So, hey guys, can the king fly across the board like an eagle? Hey guys, can I go here to here? 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 Can I go here to here?
Yes. Oh wait, where were you? Oh yes.
Can I go here to here? Here to here?
They move one square. Kings move. Only one square. Kings move. Only one square. Say it. Kings move. Only one square. Again. Kings move.
Only one square.
Okay. Why are you looking at me like I'm weird? I'm just making music. Go ahead, Mr. Coach Solomon.
Hey guys, is the barbecue king safe right now, or is Mustard attacking it? Mustard's attacking it, right? And if the king goes here, is it safe? No. Okay. So this is what you call checkmate in chess, okay? So we're just talking about the pieces, but it's good to know that if you get your king trapped, you lose, and if you trap the opponent's king, you win. Okay?
Wait a minute. You brought them these? These are the special treats. It's only for kids that are sitting quietly and being kind to one another. You brought this for them?
Yeah.
Were they good?
So far.
Okay, if they continue to be good, then we'll give them these. But if not, then I have my other treats. But man, I can't believe you brought these ones.
No, those are the good ones.
Well, let's see who's sitting quietly.
Yeah.
gonna set it up together. Okay, one person is gonna choose white pieces. One person is gonna choose black pieces. Neither color is better. It doesn't matter. One plays white, one plays black. Here's what the first thing I want you to do. Very easy. Watch this. Grab your rooks. You should have 2 white ones and 2 black ones. Grab your rooks. Everyone grab them and hold them in the sky. Those are the pawns, the rooks. They look like little cups. Look at everybody. Here, grab it right there. That's a rook. There's a rook. This one. Rooks in the corners.
Rooks in the corners.
One on each side.
One on each side.
This is the hardest class, but it's my favorite class. It's kindergarten because we're setting up the chessboard right here. We've got to do it one step at a time, one piece at a time. Rooks, knights, bishops, king, queen. Oh, look at that guy. He's getting treats. Okay, put them down like this. Watch this, guys. Oh, they're getting candy for sure. Good job. What's your name? Good job. Okay, grab your bishops. They look like pointy rocket ships. Bishop.
Bishop.
Good job. Look up here when you're done. You should have 2 bishops. Good job.
Here's your bishops. Hold these.
Don't worry, you're already getting my special treats. Hold them in the sky.
Nice. Good job.
Okay, look up here. Say the bishops go next.
The bishops go next.
Next to the knights.
Next to the knights.
This is too easy.
This is too easy.
I am too smart.
I am too smart.
I'm a smart kindergartner.
I'm a smart kindergartner.
Now watch this. What's her name?
Queen.
And what's his name? Grab your king and grab your queen. You only have 1 each. And hold them in the sky. Oh, she's getting treats. What's your name? Huh? Me and Saria. Good job. Say the king and the queen.
The king and the queen.
Go in the middle.
Go in the middle.
In between the bishops.
In between the bishops.
The king and the queen.
The king and the queen.
Go in between.
Go in between.
Both of the bishops.
Both of the bishops.
Okay, I want you to think for yourself on this one. I'm not going to help you. I should, but I'm going to be a little more strict this time. Oh, that guy's earning treats. Good job, hat backwards. What's your name?
Elias.
Huh?
Elias.
Elias. Good job, Elias. Everyone say, the wimpy little pawns.
The wimpy little pond.
Start in the front.
Start in the front.
In the front row.
In the front row.
Come on, let's go.
Come on, let's go.
Listen up. Hey, listen up. White color always goes first. It doesn't mean white's better color. Those are just the rules in chess, okay? Everyone say white goes first.
White goes first.
Every single time.
Every single time.
Okay, you're going to do your best. You're going to play chess right now, but hold on. Wait. Shake your partner's hand. Shake your partner's hand and start the chess game. White goes first. Try your best. Make the first move. Go! One to the side and take that. Wow, good job. You know what? Give me 5. Give me 5. Hey, how do pawns attack? Where's the pawn? Oh, good job. So which one of your pawns can attack her? Wait. Look at the chessboard. Which one of your pawns can attack this knight? Which pawn? Good job, slide back. Good job, give me 5. You're amazing. Oh, no. You just put the pawn on the square that the knight is. Go ahead, 1 square, go. Do it. There you go, stop right there. Leave it there. Stop taking it off the board. Now capture him, take him. Take him, you capture him. Now put him right here. Yeah, you took him, you captured him. Good job, give me 5. You want it this way. 1 square, 2 square, 1 to the side. 1 square, 2 square, 1 to the side. Okay, so your queen can go all the way to the other side and attack her queen. This is the flyer for Webster. Long Beach, having a chess club on Tuesday, October 9th. It's going to be fire. So, a lot of kids are coming. We just like to go to different schools in Long Beach and teach kids chess. It's really good for their mind, and it's very great. Hey guys, bye. We love you guys. Take care. The kindergartners are my favorite, but they're the toughest. I'm telling you, they're so cute. You know, their answers are so out of way left field. It's so cute, but they're just challenging just to get them to learn the pieces. But it's all good.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like, so we just finished the kindergarten class. It was a combo. Well, not combo like K and first. It was 2 kindergarten classes together, which is probably very challenging. Me, the help of Coach Solomon, the chess giant, helped us out. He's probably like, what in the world did I get myself into? It was great though.